Oh, I sweet. We start video now.
Yeah, come to my piece.
Yes, so we are cut up a big mango, you know.
What's wrong with you?
A slice of a big mango, you know.
You'll be so funny if that drop on the ground. You look like...
No worm. Yay!
Since I
No
put on
worm,
this solo.
nice.
No worm. A soft, it's soft.
Piece
Yeah,
and nice.
One a piece here.
I got eat that one and beat up a Julie mango, you know. Julie. Just one little piece of that one. Little piece.
No worm.
Worm man.
No worm in there. Hey, there, cut off here, son.
Let's go to it. Oh, I sweet. You sweet? Let's pinch off one little piece of it. Little piece.
Buy one big piece of one of those, so let me not take everything. Let me enjoy mango and just put that one up.
Beat up that piece, you know.
They are not mine.
Oh, watch up here. Oh.
Pull a mango here, baby. Mango, nice, man. Mango
That's your power, yeah.
beat, we go beat on the mango and the mango slide and drop, you know.
Yeah.
You see mango drop, man. Mango drop.
So I got the next piece. I got cut off our next piece.
No, man, me eat
Chunky
it.
have my piece. Here's the piece of Chunky have. Here's Chunky one big piece.
You not eat too much, never do anything weirdly.
Alright, see that, John. Next piece.
Cut it smaller, man. It did too big.
Clam, me never, yeah, me all look.
Aye. It's a piece and not dropping up. Careful with this.
You don't get nobody again, you Jane a piece of chunky one. I know you don't get feed here when it nickel.
I take, Chunky take my piece. Only two of them good.
No,
A
it's
mango in a,
eat.
Mango, you see.
If you don't want it, give me. That piece there you have.
Eat it.
You see there, this was that mango in it.
Mango, nice.
Eat this.
You want some pot?
Eat this.
You're gonna steal.
No, give her seed. Just cut.
Yeah?
Give me.
In a back room in a corner beside the store.
Eat this.
Oh, like no, me not eat that.
Give me. Just cut this piece off of this here when you're done.
Nicholas not get no mango.
I get that.
No fear. Let me just say second piece.
Hold on, you can't manage this?
You not eat too much.
You not eat so much, man.
No, we
Cut it up, man.
You don't want no mango?
Warm
Chunky
you.
have mine.
Oh. What do you have sit here? Me didn't take it. No mango that's here, me
Have
have.
piece more.
Eat that chunky.
Hold on.
Eat it, you can eat it, Nicholas can eat piece.
See the kid calls the mango left for himself. When he don't share peanut, I know.
You not have to watch that, Jenna. Yeah, mango nice. Nothing no like mango sweet. Eat a mango, me hold it for you. Eat, bite.
You know, you know. I know why you give us much, you know.
No man in there then.
I guess I look for.
Come.
Hold it good.
That's a small mango.
Me hold it fake, I go drop it.
Better you cut it off and give her.
Like your mango?
It's sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Bye. You see what's a wash and already. No, no.
Daddy, can you hear the mango?
Just make him bite. Please, what you make him bite?
Oh,
Gimme.
a piece where she get big and full of juice, you know?
Mm-hmm.
The piece where she get.
Negi as much as we should have waste it. And the phone, you know, it's sweet, so why not?
So,
Mango they sweet, man.
what you tear them two more?
Like your mango? Jenna, come.
I don't say tip and mango sweet when they have a piece of spot there.
Mango's fruit, right?
You come by Sunday.
Mango.
You come by Sunday and I look out everything. Then we'll tear down some of them. Starting when they yesterday.
Julia, very good.
Jenna. That's it now. Finish. Go wash your hand now. Yeah, one piece.
One piece.
Yeah, so now we're gonna eat a Julie now, you know? See?
Oh, wait, other one.
Julie mango.
The other one you eat.
Which one?
The big one. You don't know the name?
We call them John Belly Full.
John Belly food.
So we're gonna eat this now, Julie. Eat a first bite.
Really? It's sweet? Yeah, I think I get the big old piece of that play with it.
Daddy, I want more mango.
Bring your white bush.
Sweet. Me I tell no lie, mango is sweet.
Let me get a bite.
Probably the dog want it. Daddy, I want more mango.
Oh, that's sweet.
Drop it. Daddy, drop. I have little slippers. Daddy, drop it. Daddy, I want more. One more. I want
Good
mango.
Yeah. Also, want to eat mango?
Everybody get a bite out of mango now.
That's a little bite.
Mango is sweet.
More
Sweet.
mango. Give me mango. Give me the mango. Give me mango. Give me the mango. Daddy. Daddy. Is there mango in Florida? Yes. So, Daddy. Daddy. When we go back to Florida, can you buy some mango so we can eat? Mango. 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 another big one. There's another big one. Tomorrow, can you pick a big one? Hey, can I wash my hands?
Parang siya na epek.
Can you turn it